I just wanted to provide that within the Canadian context, we are seeing the same kinds of things that have been talked about. I was able to join in some of the sessions earlier today. So as is the case globally in our Canadian post-secondary system, we are facing a growing concern about student mental health. There's a few statistics out there. Some of the most concerning, of course, are looking at 16% of students having seriously considered suicide within the past year in a national survey of Canadian students. And as we know, this is a time when a lot of young people first experience mental illness. I've worked in student affairs for the past 22 years, and for the past 10 to 12 of those years, we have been engaged in a national conversation about student mental health and well-being. So in the next slide, I just want to share a little bit about the orientation that I'm coming to, which is a health promotion approach. So for me, this metaphor and quote really encapsulates the approach that I'm taking in all of my work on university and college campuses. So this idea, the frogs in a pond started behaving strangely. Our first reaction would not be to punish them or even to treat them. Instinctively, we would wonder, what is going on in the pond? And so we need to be thinking about systemic and holistic approaches and go beyond the individual to look at the environment. And when we talk about policies, I think, and practices on our campuses, that's really where we need to start.